most pre-alarm didn't are not considered as one RTL. I remember.
Especially on pressure. Especially on
Yeah.
If
You
No,
can
no,
check
we
the
are,
zero
no, no.
worksheet.
We are going different direction. We are performing the alarm relation management, or you are going to discuss the IPL, which is missed in the SIL under the ASAP. I don't understand this.
no IPL, this is not taken as IPL.
Ah.
Just want to, and I'm just curious. It
See
is not
this.
taken as a.
No. This is taken
No,
as
no, no,
IPL.
no.
That's for sure.
But yeah, but see, whether this is IPL or not IPL, it is not going to impact on the alarm
Yeah.
rationalization. It
Correct,
is not
correct.
impacting. But now
Okay.
question is we have to be very, very careful to qualify these things. If we qualify in correct way, then what will happen? I mean, our severity level will increase and our priority will increase. So my question is, if that is the case, we are going to take everything as per the HOP, then everything will P1. And P1, see,
Everything
now
will be
we have
P1.
done, now
Do we,
we,
sir, just one, sorry to touch the basic.
See, that
Do we
depends
have
on
a,
just the case. Yeah.
do we have any
Sorry.
definition for which alarm to be defined as P1 and P2 as per the AGS?
Yeah, we
see,
have the just
yeah,
recommendation. No?
Guru, I think Gurpreet has come late. So
No problem,
Mr.
problem, sir.
Cooperator, we have presented
we have- we have
10.3 and
different type of
10.4, right?
yeah,
10.3 and
we have
10.4.
here, definition. Guru, Gurpreet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one.
We have definition here. So response time combination versus severity, we have to be very, very careful with the immediate response action. Because if you are going for immediate action, the priority is even medium become P1. So
No,
see,
sorry, this is the pressure. First and foremost, this is the pressure. Very fast changing parameter. Pressure being one of the, not one of the, it is the fastest changing parameter in.
level.
This is level. Okay, sorry. If it
No,
is
but-
level, then maybe it is not so fast changing.
Yeah.
Being
No,
a separator,
see.
maybe fast.
Yeah.
Because it's a separator and pressures are very high, so even level will be changing very fast.
Yes.
But,
So guys, anyway, let us keep this as the P1, but we have to see how we can ensure that P1 is around 5%. Because if the P1 is more than 5%, that means our alarm installation is to be revisited.
How many?
So as far as-
1,000, right?
as far as operator is concerned, I 100% sure that there is hardly any problem for him to take it to P1 or P2, because
Yeah.
anyhow he will take
And
the
that
same
too.
action whether it is P1 or P2.
And that too, if